always used to tell me, Mzukulu, in life, kumele uphande. Stay humble, cause you never know who you might come across. But most importantly, you gotta stand on business. It's like protocol. As soon as I make it out the kasi, I'm taking my griza with me.
Cutting senyamaza, cut go check it all lady nomni. Doesn't want time to anja. But they proud of me proudly. Go down to phone up a jiggle. I see my youngest, they totally fuck with me. I see me humble anja. They're the reason I keep on fire. But I'ma just need more time. Cause I'm too fly, bitch. I don't need propellers. Young boy, big body biz, got a big dog coat cheddar. Dope yummy, got a big booty, she a big go getter. Ay boo, she a cheat code, I'm a real cocoa filler. Two turned up inside of a Polo Vivo. I wanna sit inside it. I got a brand new shotty, a brand new kiki. She got a freaking setter. Got to be my shit 36. She took a pic inside it. I'm very picky. If my bitch don't like bitches, I keep it a dick inside her. Chillin' with killers and scammers and jabbers. Using just hammers, kulumang and cheddar. Me and the money together forever. I flow so much, I might give me a medal. Flow below 0 degrees, my level. All of this ice, I'm changing the weather. She say daddy let me drive and I let her. She did a few clutches on top of my pedal.